Are you tired of hitting a payment limit on Venmo? Or maybe you're trying to set up a new account and can't figure out why you can't access a Venmo balance. If so, you're in the right place, because the solution is simple: verify your identity. Verifying your identity on Venmo isn't just about unlocking new features. It's a key security measure that helps keep your money safe and is a federal requirement for financial services. Plus, it allows you to send more money and access your Venmo balance. It's a quick and easy process, and I'm going to walk you through it right now. First, you'll need to open your Venmo app. Go to the Me tab, which is your profile. From there, tap on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the Identity Verification option and tap on it. From there, Venmo will walk you through the necessary steps. You'll typically be asked to provide some personal information, like your legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Make sure the information you enter is exactly what is on your official documents to avoid any delays. In some cases, Venmo's automated system might not be able to verify your information. If that happens, they'll ask you to submit a photo of a government-issued ID, like your driver's license or a passport. You'll want to make sure the photo is clear and shows all 4 corners of the document. This process can take a few business days, so be patient. Once you've successfully completed the verification, you'll be able to access your full Venmo account, which includes a higher sending limit and the ability to use your Venmo balance for payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.